Hi, welcome to Missologist. So today we are making the drinks of Arizona. I previously made the drinks of Alaska and I'm trying to go in alphabetical order, although I am skipping Alabama because, for now at least, because honestly the drinks that they have don't sound that great, and like they sound like they're gonna be an unpleasant experience, so I'm avoiding them for now. I'm gonna have to buy Southern Comfort, and that's disgusting, and things like that. So we're just skipping them for now. We're doing Alaska, Arizona, we'll do Arkansas, etc. But that's why there's no Alabama video at the moment. Okay, so the first drink we're making for Arizona is the Arizona Tequila Sunrise, and the legend has it that it was created at the Arizona Biltmore in the late 1930s because a guest asked for a drink that they could enjoy poolside. It's said that Irving Berlin was actually sipping on one of these when he composed White Christmas, so kind of cool. Alright, so this does need to be shaken. So first we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of tequila. I am using Espolon, which I highly recommend. It's very good. And so 1.5 ounces. Actually, never been to Arizona. It looks nice, but also I've seen a lot of shows that indicate that there's a lot of bugs and snakes and, scorpions and things that can potentially injure people. So I don't know how I feel about Arizona, but it'll still be nice to go. Okay, so we have 1.5 ounces of tequila in there. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Creme de Cassis, which is essentially a black currant liqueur, and it's made in France. I've never had it, so I'm kind of excited to be using it. Okay, so I got this. Oh, it's very pretty. Okay. Next, we have our 3/4 ounces of lime juice. Measure that. Perfect. Okay. And then we shake this, and we're gonna top it with soda water. So I'll get the ice. I'll be right back. Back with the ice. So now we're going to put some ice in here and shake it. Try to put some ice in here. There we go. Sometimes the ice isn't cooperative. There we go. I think 3 should do it. So I'm gonna shake this, and then I'm gonna put it in one of these lovely glasses next to me and top it with soda water. So I usually shake for about 30 seconds or until my hand is it's probably good. I'm gonna pour it in here. It should be a very pretty color because of the Creme de Cassis. And then, oh, that is really pretty. And then I'm going to top it with some soda water. So, hold on a sec. Do this. Okay, so I'm going to top it with 1 to 2 ounces of soda water. Since this glass is pretty small, it's likely about 1.5 ounces, I would say. So this is the Arizona Tequila Sunrise. That's good. It's kind of tart, probably from the Creme de Cassis and the lime juice. But you do get the tequila at the beginning, and then it slowly descends into tartness, just much tartness. But it's actually very nice. Yeah, I like that, I think. Yeah. It's very nice, very nice. I could definitely see drinking that in front of a pool. Okay, so moving on. We are now going to make an Arizona Sunset, which we also need to shake, but we actually have to dry shake. So, basically, because it has an egg white in it, so we're gonna dry shake that first, and then we're gonna shake it with ice. So you need Orgeat, which is essentially almond syrup, and you can actually, I think the original recipe asked for something else, but I can't remember what it's called, and it's essentially the same as Orgeat, so that's why you can kind of interchange them. I'm not worried. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this out. Again, we're moving on to the Arizona Sunset now, so I am going to find an egg. Get an egg. So I got my egg. So now what we're gonna do is, and this one's interesting because it actually has unsweetened black tea in it. So I've never had a cocktail with that in it. So I'm interested to see how that is. So this one also has sherry in it, which is interesting. It has 1.5 ounces of sherry. So we are using Barbadillo, I'm probably saying that wrong, sherry, because it calls for Amontillado sherry, and I couldn't find that. This one has Amontillado sherry in it. So, of course I'm spilling a little. It's very normal. Okay. And now I need 1 ounce of cold unsweetened black tea. So I already made black tea, so hopefully it's cold. So we're adding our black tea. We have 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Yeah, lemon juice. And we have 1/2 ounce of Orgeat. I'm gonna just give that a little bit of a shake. And then try to open it. Sorry about that, I had to open it. We have 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, which I used in a previous video. It's really interesting looking actually, because it's very milky kind of syrup. So, okay, and then we have egg white. So I talked about this in a previous video, but you can crack over it. Just be careful you don't get any eggshell in, because that's where the bad stuff is. And I think I just did, but I'll keep my chances. Oh boy. Okay, so that was like not a very good egg separation job. What a joke. Actually went in there, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to, so yeah, be a better egg separator than I am, but okay, I'm gonna put ice, no, I'm gonna dry shake, I'm sorry. I'm gonna dry shake first, because of the egg white. I dislike dry shaking a lot because I tend to get crap everywhere, so please. Okay. And actually, if you want to make it even more foamy, you can add a coil from a hawthorn strainer, and that will help you froth your egg white even more. So, handy little tip. Alright, so now we're going to add ice to this lovely, interesting concoction. And I'm going to shake it again. Okay. And so you can actually garnish this with lemon and black pepper if you want. I thought about doing that, but I think I'll just try it by itself. Makes a lot, apparently. Okay, so this is an Arizona Sunset. Let's see. Not bad. Yeah, I don't know if it's my thing. Tastes very almondy, probably from the Orgeat. The egg white gives it a nice foaminess. Again, may have gotten some egg yellow in there accidentally. I just don't know that it has very strong flavors, honestly. Like, I don't really feel like I'm getting anything that exciting, yeah? So, but it's not terrible, it's just not that, it's not the best drink I've ever had. But we'll see when we get our tasting notes what our guest thinks. If I hadn't mentioned that in this video, we do have a guest who's going to be tasting our drinks and giving us more tasting notes because I am not always great at tasting notes. So, anyway, this has been Arizona, Drinks of Arizona, the Arizona Tequila Sunrise, and the Arizona Sunset. Cheers!
Hello everyone, my name is Eric and I'm a bit of a special guest appearance on the Mixologist channel today. And I'm going to provide some tasting notes for the two Arizona cocktails, Arizona themed cocktails. One is the Arizona Tequila Sunrise and the other is the Arizona Sunset. So first I'm going to start with the Arizona Tequila Sunrise, and just as a reminder, this one has 1.5 ounce tequila, 1.5 ounce Creme de Cassis, which is a blackcurrant liqueur, 3/4 ounce lime juice, 1 to 2 ounces of club soda, and so yeah, that's right here. I have the Arizona Tequila Sunrise. Oh yeah, definitely getting some of that blackcurrant just on the nose at the start, as well as tequila, kind of the classic tequila noses. So yeah, going in for the first sip. You know, I gotta say, this is my first time having this drink. This is quite lovely. I would not have expected that tequila and blackcurrant actually work together well, but they actually do. Going in for a second sip here. Honestly, yeah, I would say, yeah, you kind of get that classic, almost margarita flavors with the tequila and the lime juice, which of course both of those are used in tequila. Both of those ingredients are used in a margarita. But then it seems like the blackcurrant, the Creme de Cassis, kind of it lengthens it out. It gives it a bit more of a syrupy quality. It kind of coats your tongue and the sides of your mouth. Just kind of makes that experience last longer of both the tequila and the lime. Yeah, I have to say that's quite lovely. And now, you know, before moving on to the next drink, once again, I always recommend a palate cleanse when you're doing 2 drinks side by side. I am going to be using just a saltine cracker here. So again, we're just going to fast forward through this. Me eating the cracker, drinking some water before I move on to the Arizona Sunset. So I'll be with you shortly. Welcome back. Again, I believe my palate is sufficiently cleansed. Now I'm going to be moving on to the Arizona Sunset, which again, just as a reminder, is 1.5 ounces of sherry, 1 ounce cold unsweetened black tea, 3/4 ounce lemon juice, 3/4 ounce Orgeat, 3/4 ounce egg white, and so yeah, that's. Oh yeah, just immediately on the nose, you're definitely getting that almond, those almond notes on the nose from the Orgeat. Oh yeah, that smells quite nice. It smells just like a Madeleine cookie. And yeah, going in for the first sip. Yeah, just immediately I'm getting that kind of vanilla and almond qualities from the Orgeat, as well as it's interplaying quite nicely, I think, with the black tea. I think those 2 flavors bounce off of each other quite well. Going in for a second sip. And again, I always recommend don't judge a cocktail solely off of its first sip, just because your first sip is really just getting acquainted with the flavors of the cocktail. On that second sip, you're going to get a lot more nuance out of what the drink has to offer, just because you now know what to expect from that first sip. So yeah, second. So yeah, definitely on that second sip, I'm getting more of I'm getting the kind of the acidity of the lemon juice, as well as just the lemon taste on its own. Yeah, I gotta say that's quite nice.